Students, in the last class I taught you exercise 1.3 third problem to fifth problem. Now we are going to see the exercise 1.3 sixth problem. During summer, the level of water in pond decreases by 2 inches every week due to evaporation. What is the change in the level of water over a period of 6 weeks? Students, in the question given, level of water decreases a week 2 inches. A week in the sense 1 week. Every week 2 inches. So we want to find water level of water decreases in 6 weeks. So 6 into 2, 12 inches. Next, seventh question, find all the possible pairs of integers that give a product of minus 50. Students, you have to find the factors of 50. So that is, you have two methods in the lower class itself you learn about it. That is, you have to follow this factorization method or normal tables method. So that is why it is easy for you. For 50 we need to get 50. So which two numbers you make multiple, you get 50. That is 1 into 50, 50, 2 into 25, 50, 5 into 10, 50. Any other possibilities are there, we have to write that. The reverse also we get 50 into 1, 25 into 2, 10 into 5. So the factors are, write all the possible numbers 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. Write in a ascending order. Now the possible pairs of integers, we need minus 50. Minus 50 means in these two numbers any one of the number is minus 50. Any one of the number is, student, the possible pairs of integers, that is minus 1 into 50, that is 1 into 50, 2 into 25, 5 into 50. So we need minus, so any one of the integer is a negative. So plus into minus is minus, or minus into plus is a minus. So we need minus 50, so any one of the number is minus. So that is minus 1 into 50 or 1 into minus 50. 2 into 25 or minus 2 into 25. Next, minus 5 into 10, the same way 10 into minus 10. So these are the possible ways to get minus 50. Next, you have to learn about the division of integers. For division of multiplication rules is there, the same way you have to learn some of the division rules. That is, plus integer divide by plus integer. That is a positive integer divide by positive integer, you get the answer positive. Positive integer divide by negative integer, you get the answer negative integer. Negative integer divided by the negative integer, you get positive integer. Negative integer divided by positive integer is equal to negative integer. Then sum of the rules. An integer divided by 0 is meaningless. Meaningless is in the sense not defined. For example, 2 by 0 minus 5 by 0 is meaningless or not defined. Then 0 by non-zero integer. Non-zero integers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. That is equal to 0. For example, 0 by 2, 0 by 5. These are equal to 0. These are 0 by equal to 0, 0 by 5 equal to 0. So next, 0 by 0 is meaningless, so or not defined. Students, now in exercise 1.4 third problem, find the values of the following. Minus 75 divided by 5. The second question, minus 100 divided by minus 20. The third question, 45 divided by minus 9. The fourth question, minus 82 divided by 82. Students, now the first problem, minus 75 divided by 5. That is, you write it as a fraction form, minus 75 by 5. Now cancelling method, 1 5 is 5. That is, for 1 5 is, first you have to consider 7, 1 5 is 5, balance 2. That balance 2 right in front of this number, so that is 25. 5 5s are 25. So after cancelling we have minus 15. The second question, minus 100 divided by minus 20. Minus 100 divided by minus 20. Direct cancelling, 0 by 0, 0, 0 cancel. Next to 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. For as per the division rule, minus by minus is plus. So that is a plus 5. Next, third question, 45 divided by minus 9. So 45 by 9. So that is 1 9 is 9, 5 9s are 45. Division rules, plus by minus is minus, so minus 5. Next the fourth question, minus 82 divided by 82. So that is minus 82 divided by 82. The same number. 182 is 182, 182 is 182. So answer minus 1. Minus by plus is minus, so minus 1. Students, now fourth problem. The product of two number is minus 135. If one number is minus 15, find the integer. Students, in this fourth question, one number is given, that is minus 15. The product of two number is 135. We want to find the other number. So which is unknown, we have to consider as some other variable. So that is, let the other number be x. We have to consider one number equal to minus 15. Given the product of two number, one number is minus 15, other number consider as x. So their product value also given in the question, minus 135. So x value we want to find, x equal to, for it these two are in a product, this minus 15 transposed to right hand side. So product value become a division value. So minus 135 by minus 15. So minus by minus is plus, that's we know. So then you have to use a 5 table cancelling method. 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10, balance 3, so 35, 7 5s are 35. 1 3 is 3, 9 3s are 27. So after cancelling we have 9, minus by minus is plus, so plus 9. So therefore other number equal to 9. Student, next class we will see the word problem, 6th problem and 7th problem. Now the 8th problem, given 168 into 32 equal to 5376, then find minus 5376 divided by minus 32. For it is using this concept, we have to find this value. Students, given 168 into 38 is equal to 5376, we want to find this value. First, what is given, take and write. Now you have to use the transposing rules. We need to find these two values, 5376 divided by minus 32 we want to find. So now for using this concept, for your this 32 transposed to right hand side, that is 168 equal to 5376 by 32. So now for the question what we found, that you take and write, minus 5376 by minus 32, minus by minus is a plus, minus by minus is plus. So that is 5376 by 32. 5376 by 32, what we found? 168. So that is equal to 168. Students, the 9th question, how many minus are there in minus 20? The question is wrong. How many minus 4s are there in minus 20? That is the question, minus 4s. So that is minus 20. So you have to write minus 20 by minus 4. So that is minus by minus is plus, 1 4 is 4, 5 4s are 20. So answer is equal to 5. How many 4s are there? 5 4s are there in 20. Next, the 10th question, minus 400 divided into 10 equal parts gives. So that is, we want to divide minus 400 divided by 10. So 0 0 cancel. So that is equal to minus 40.